Get a guard card. A guard card is a necessity for many types of employment along the security field. This card will prove to the employer that you have indeed been properly trained and have knowledge of standard operating procedures of security work. Being a security guard is hard work, no doubt. It involves long shifts, being attentive at all times and putting your own life at risk. If you seriously want to pursue a career in security, you need to have a guard card. Here is the step-by-step process on how you may be able to get one. Register. You need to register your name in person or by going to the website caguardtrainingcenter.com and registering there. In the website you will be able to browse through the various training programs that are available, as well as the proper procedure in procuring your guard card. Requirements. You have to be at least 18 years old. Minors are of course not allowed. A background check will also be required from you, which can be accomplished through the California Department of Justice and the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI. You need to plan ahead if you need the background check clearance soon. It takes about a week or more to get it done. Take the class. Pay the required fees and take the 8-hour guard card training course. In the course you will learn everything you need to know about security work and proper procedures in handling situations. After the course, you will then have to take the exam and pass it. Upon confirmation of passing the exam, proceed to the next step. Application. You will have to fill out a security guard application form and submit it to the Bureau of Security and Investigative Services. You will also have to pay a guard card fee of $51. After that, you will be required to have your fingerprints scanned to be submitted electronically via live scan. There is also a fee for this service in which you have to pay the amount of $66. The breakdown includes $32 for the Department of Justice fingerprint fee, $19 for the FBI fingerprint fee and $15 for the live scan fee. So it is for the best that you come prepared with a sum of money to pay for all the required fees. After you have received your guard card, you will be required to take another 16 hours of training within 30 days. Then after 6 months have passed, another training session of 16 hours will have to be taken again. To maintain your guard card, annual training courses have to be taken after the initial year. This is not an uncommon practice as it is BSIS regulation to have continuous training for security guards to maintain standards. In conclusion, Getting a guard card may not be all that easy. However, once you take into heart the details that have been given to you, it may not be quite so difficult. Good luck.